Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. I have another puzzle box here from Infinite Loop Games, and if I could, I would like to solve it with you today. This box is called the Cygnus Wooden Puzzle Box, and it is made from maple. I solved their Orion puzzle box before, which was a fun solve. So if you haven't checked it out, I recommend that you do. So to solve this puzzle, we have to discover the hidden path to unlock the hidden compartment. And it's supposed to be a sequential movement puzzle box, in that when I move these pegs right here, I should be able to move this, I seem to see the hidden compartment right here, and I should be able to pull it forward as I move these pegs in or out. It's a certain combination, I guess, so we'll get into that in a little bit. But similar to the Orion puzzle box, once solved, I believe the hidden compartment here should have a special wooden coin inside, and in this case it would be the wooden Cygnus coin. So let's get right into it and see if we can solve this puzzle. Just trying to move it around to see if I feel this loosening up. This one's very tight for some reason, so alright. I'm trying to move these pegs and tug on this top to hopefully see if it'll move once I move these pegs in a certain way. So far not successful at all. Aha. So I moved these pegs a bit in, I guess, this sort of position, and it was able to pop out this much. So let's see if I can move it even further. So I feel like these are not going to affect it. Maybe this one might. The fun thing is going to be trying to get the correct slots to put it back in together. So I think the tricky part is that each of these pegs have to be in a certain way, so there could be a lot of combinations to try and do this. So I'm just trying to feel it out right now. Aha! Moved out a little bit more. Let's see. I'll keep this here. Move this a little bit. I can hear the coin moving in here, so I'm excited to get it out. See if I let gravity do the trick. And once I open this, I can show you the mechanism inside, which will be pretty cool. If I can open this up. I'm pretty sure this will stay like this because I can see that it's not going to be caught with anything back there unless there is a notch. No, I think this is a good place for this one for sure. The other ones I am not too sure how to position it. Felt that it gave a little bit. There we go. Lifted it up a little bit more. There we go. So I can feel the give a little bit sometimes. So far you can see like these notches here, and once I open this up I can show you what these sliding things look like. And I just lifted it up a little bit more. I think there's just like 1 or 2 more pegs. These 2 pegs will have to be adjusted so I can get this final piece out. That's what I'm hoping. So let's see if I can find the proper position. There we go. So 1 more. And I'm sure this last one is the final one. And there you go. We took it out. And slid this back piece off. And here you can see the Cygnus coin. So now I have an Orion one and a Cygnus one. And you can actually see that the compartment is pretty big on the inside. So you can fit a lot of good things in here if you want to give it as a present. But I want to show you that these notches here, you have to move all of these pegs around so you can see it has to be in the exact order throughout, and as you go up it'll change, so you have to keep adjusting it. So yeah, that's it. Pretty fun box. Now let's try to put this together, and that might be quite difficult. Almost as difficult as taking it apart. There you have it, the Cygnus Wooden Puzzle Box by Infinite Loop Games. A lot of fun to solve. It's kind of difficult because there's like a lot of patterns that you need to try to kind of get it out. Putting it back together was kind of difficult too, but the compartment was huge, so you can put a lot of cool things in there. And I think it's a great gift for giving it to people. One of those gifts that are very universal to different types of advanced or amateur puzzlers. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more puzzle solving videos, and I will see you next time.